How to solve Capcut no internet connection issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix Capcut no internet connection issue on your device. Now if you're experiencing a no internet connection problem with Capcut, you can try following the steps. First of all, you can check your internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable and active internet connection. And check if other apps and websites are working properly to confirm your internet connection is active. So what you can do is, if you see your internet connection, now what you can do is, apart from that, you can also turn on flight mode for a certain time or maybe for 20 seconds. After that, you can disable it, and this might be able to fix the issue. Apart from that, you can also check for an update. If you haven't updated your application for a while, then you'll need to open up your Play Store, and then on the Play Store you'll need to type in Capcut. After that, you'll need to click on the update button if you see update, and the application will be updated. After that, what else you can do is you can also clear cache and data. For that, you need to long press on your Capcut application, go to app info page. This is gonna direct you to the app info page. Right on this page, click on storage and cache. Now here as well, click on clear cache as well as click on clear storage. Now keeping this in mind that clearing your storage will delete all of your data, make sure that you have secured the data and all that. And while you're on this page, you can also check for the permission. You can go to permission section, and here you can see whether you've enabled all of these following permission or not. After that, if you're using VPN or proxies, you can disable it, or maybe you can enable it, and that might be able to fix the issue. Apart from that, the last alternative is that you can uninstall the application, restart your device, and once again install the application, and that might be able to fix the issue. So in this way, you can fix your Capcut internet connection issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.